Hey everyone, welcome to the Space and Science Explorer show. Today we'll be learning how to make a platformer like this. You can go through level navigation or perhaps wall jumping, wall collisions, detection, gravity. It's like really a walking. And we're making it in scratch today, like this. And there are even spikes. What if you go through them? Oops. I'll come to the start again. And there's even lava. So today I'll start part 1 of the series. It will be a little series. There are many parts in it. So today's part 1. What we'll do today is very simple. We'll just do wall detection, gravity, and moment. And the others, like other levels or lava or spikes, all this we will add in another day, like in another video. But be careful of the spikes. So let's get started. So first we have to start something simple like this. This is what we're gonna do today. Most likely. Yes. So let's begin. So first we must delete scratch card. Sorry scratch card, perhaps in another video. Okay, let's make a player. Click paint in the player sprite. Now zoom in. This time I don't want to put any face on it, but you can add any face you want on it. I'll just make it a simple square. So first we make a simple yellow square that has to be big. So that looks good. Now, okay, good. Now let's name this sprite player. Or perhaps blocky. Looks like a good one. And here let's just name it player. Done. Nice. Now we have to make a black backdrop. But you can't use backdrops to make a platformer. Or you can, but this is a different tutorial. So I want to make a sprite that is a backdrop. Yes. So paint another sprite. This time I wanna turn it a bit with an outline. Good. First, because I'm going to paint it in a different color, perhaps. Maybe orange should do. Alright. So let's just paint the entire area. Nice. Now, all we need to have to do is now animate the player. First, let's add a little bit of obstacles. Nice. Perhaps an obstacle here. A floating platform. And another obstacle at the top. Okay. Our platformer is smooth sailing. Now we must begin in an area. Back to blocky. Oops, I forgot to name it level. Level. Sit. Click into the player sprite. Go to code. It's time for coding. when I receive click block, it is really fast. Yeah. And then set X position and Y position. Here it is. But this time we put minus 150 X position and Y position. Let's say 50. This should do. And now add a forever loop. To understand all this, watch my previous episode about introduction to Scratch. It can help a lot. Now change Y by -1. Change Y. Okay. And negative number this time, because negative numbers push us downwards. -1. Okay, let's click the flag. Wait, a character is going down, but very uninspiring. I mean, it's really slow. So we have to make it a bit fast. So let's do it. For this, we have to make a new variable. Again, in my past episodes, you will learn it. So make a new variable called speed y. For this sprite only. Nice. Okay, let's set y to 0 first. Speed y. And then change speed y by -1. This could help it speed up. And now change y by -1, we have to remove it. Instead of it, we just put speed y like this. Okay. Success! We're going down by gravity, but we have to touch the ground. That will get it soon. So simply add an if-then block and go to sensing. If touching the level. Level means, as you can see here, there's a level and we named it level. So if it touches level, we can do an edit to it. So it will stop here. So watch what I'm doing. All blocks, which you can find here nearby. And here it is. Stop the entire project at once. Amazing! It's working. As you can see here. Everything is going as planned. But I'm not satisfied by the way the player is overlapping on the floor. So we need something to do that. So just add a 0 minus speed y. Go to operators, find a minus, good. Take the speed y. Let's bring it closer. Now, speed y and 0. Let's get a go. Oh no, we are going up. So for that, just remove this block and then duplicate it. And remove this code and attach. Bring it back here. And now we must add it here. Now let's give it a go. No. We're landing just before what happened. You have to land perfectly, not get stopped in the air. Not that there's a simple answer. So for that, remove this entire code, and we don't need this, but maybe we need it in the future. And this time, change y by 1. And now put it here. But remember, we need a repeat until block. Now, as you can see here, there's a block called repeat until, and then go to operators, not something, touching, not mouse pointer, level. Now change y by 1. But now there's a glitch, a little glitch. It's overlapping and coming to the top, but a bit differently. It's overlapping, coming down and up, coming down and up, coming down and up. You have to fix it. So for that, we have to use a custom block. For that, we have to set speed y to 0. Now let's try it. Wait, the glitch is gone. But I'm not that keen and happy about this, as you can see here. It seems to be overlapping again, but only once. We can fix it with a custom block, as I said. Open my blocks area, make a new block, naming it like overlap. But this time you have to click this button, run without screen refresh. It's compulsory. Now let's try it. Great. Now take the entire repeat until block here and place it in fix overlap. Then put fix overlap over here. Perfect. We're landing correctly. Yay! Everything is going smoothly as planned. But wait, it's not over yet. You have to make a new custom block variable. Naming it gravity. For all sprites. Great. Now we have to set gravity to -1. Yes. And then here the block change speed y and just have gravity there. Good, very smooth and perfect. Now we have to add the ability to jump, which is really easy again. Just go to the control panel and go to the if then block, but this time at the top without messing the entire code, like this. Now we must add something here. When space key pressed or up arrow pressed, set speed y to 12. Set speed y to 12. Great. Oh, we are going up. Look. Whee! This is really fun now. But it's more of a rocket jump and going really high. It's more like walking on the moon. We'll fix it later. Now we have to go up and down and left and right. As you can see, we went up, but now left and right. So it's simple. Take the entire block again and duplicate it like this. Perfect. Add back there. And the same here. Now what we need to do is, instead of up arrow, let's say left arrow. Oh no, we need a new one. Just take out this and to the variable sprite. Make a new variable, naming it speed x, just like speed y, but this sprite only. Great. Now we have to change speed x. By -1.5. Great. Now add it to the forever loop. Now let's give it a go. Same with the right arrow key, except this time with a positive number. Let's do the same. Remove, not the entire block, just a bit. Duplicate. This time with a right arrow. For the right arrow key. And insert a negative, we just add a positive 1.5. Club them together. Add them. And now push this block a bit up, perhaps, so we can at least add this block. And now they. But it doesn't actually move them. For that, we need to change x by 10 block. So, to the motions sprite, motions block, and you can find change x block. Change x. So, here change y, but this time with speed x over here. Great. And we are off. But oh no! Look! I'm trying to stop myself, but it just goes too fast. Look! Ah! You have to do something. We need friction. We need physics. So for that, go near the change speed y by gravity block and set speed x by multiplication block, which is right here, with the speed x. That's the speed x. And 0.8. Somewhere between 0 and 1. Great. Now add it here. Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1, fire. Wow, it's going well. Except for this bit. Very well. Everything is going fine, I guess. Except those bits. It to be a little glitch. For that we need to fix currently those glitches. So to solve this problem, remove the change one collision scripts here. Great. Make a new custom block called move in step and add a numeric input of the steps. And of course, run with a screen refresh. Great. Now, add the new moving steps block here and don't add anything just yet. You have to wait for a while. And take out the repeat block. I'm sure it's here somewhere. Yeah. But this time inside that, just take steps like this, drag and drop. So we have to make a new variable again for last value for the sprite only. Great. Now we have to set last value to, let's say, add a y position from the motions area. Y position and change y. Here is it. Divided by operator here. Right here. And now take speed y by steps. Add back the collision check block. Great. But this time, remove the fix overlap block and set y to last value. Set y to last value. And bring back the fix overlap scripts and borrow this block, add it here. Now remove the fix overlap scripts. There. Set moving steps to 100. Great. Wow, look at that. But I think we can't go through the walls now. It's at the vertical corner. We have to fix it. Only the vertical areas we can go through, but not the horizontal areas like this, as you can see here. We have to do something for that. But I don't think 100 is a good number. So for that, go to operators and there's an ABS off. And now take speed y. Okay, I guess everything is normal. But we can't go through walls as we may from here, like this. Oops, we have to fix it as I told. So temporarily remove this blocks from the define moving steps block. Now we have to add something new. So set last value, now gravity to x position this time. Change x by speed x divided by steps currently. Speed x divided by steps. So that means variables speed x calls steps right there. Then block again, but this time is touching to the sensing block, touching level again, set x to 12. Perfect. So now it's not 12. You have to add last value here. And then set speed x to 0. Simple. Like this. Set speed x 0. Now we can add the y movement scripts, but under the x movement scripts there. Now just remove the change x by script. Just keep it there just in case we need it. Wait, this only works for speed y and we just add the speed x. So for that, it's simple. Once remove this, duplicate it for now, and then go to operators, plus speed y, the speed y code, and just remove this, and in this place we put speed x, and there. Okay, it's time to test it. 3, 2, 1, go! It's working. And yay! We have contact. Now we can move. Here and there. Look. Whee! Let's hit the rocket jump bit. We'll fix it in a moment. Woo! And down. And the rocket jump. Wait, this is almost becoming a platformer. We just need to make a jumping a bit of a nice force. So make a new variable calling it falling, just falling. All small letters. Falling. For this sprite only. Perfect. To the move in steps block and change falling by 1 at the top. And of course we need to set it to 0 again at the bottom. This is very useful. Now quickly go to the flag click block again and go to the up arrow key area. And now put an if then block there, right there. Set a falling value less than 3 like this. And falling. Let's test it. 3, 2, 1, fire. Success! We are now only going to a limited area. We can go higher. Look. Ooh. We can go down, up, sides, and anywhere. Currently. Okay, and that is the end for today's episode. And I hope you like it, and I hope it helped you too. So, please wait for the next episode, which is about moving to other levels, like this. If we pass, we go to other levels, as I showed you in the starting. And in the coming episodes, we'll learn wall jumping and also level navigation and spikes and lava. This will be really exciting. So please wait for a while and the new episode will release. So that's it for this video. I hope. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Until my next video comes, goodbye.